everybody! Today we're going to be together with a completely vegan recipe. This is not only a vegan recipe, but also a miracle to enhance your liver function, reduce your cholesterol and your triglyceride. So are you curious about this easy, quick and miracle salad? Just be with me. What do you think so far? I know that a lot of you are not keen on zucchinis, but I guarantee you're going to change your mind after trying this salad. So be with me with the rest of the video. Okay, how was it? What's your idea about this salad? I guarantee that if you try to add this salad to your food plan, you're going to be amazed by the brightness of your skin and all the enhancements that is going to happen in your health situation. So tell me in the comment, what would you like to add and what would you like to omit?